Now, can somebody tell me the expression for W from the truth table? Can somebody tell me? So input output combination is written in the truth table. So can somebody tell me the expression for W in canonical form? W, express W in canonical form. Canonical means the summation of min terms this. How to express W?
The summation of min terms are 8.
Okay.
9.
So start from the lower amount of min term.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. তাহলে
Summation
3,
of
4.
3 করতে গেছে 3 means this min term. So in this column, that in this row W equal to 1. No, check
5,
where
6,
the W equal to 1. Very
5,
good.
শুধু
7,
W
8,
টা
9.
বললেন স্যার, শুধু
W only the W.
ওকে।
So W equal to summation of min term
5, 6, 7,
5. বলো একজনকেও শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
So 5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, 8, 7 and 8.
I know answer that W. So check the row of the column of W, and here you see in this particular combination W equal to 1. Combination means always the input combination. So that means W is valid for input 5. This is equal to 5, min term 5. Then min term 6 also, min term 7 also, 8 also, 9 also. So W is the summation of min terms 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And as it is mentioned that from 10 to 15, these are called the don't care condition, and this don't care condition is valid for all W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so that means W is the summation of, okay, I just need to write these things. So W is the, in this way, in canonical form you can express the W is the summation of min term 5, 6. You should put a comma between 5, 6, as it is problem to write this thing 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and plus how much? Who can say? Plus W is the summation of don't care condition 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So this is the expression of W from the K-map in canonical form. Okay, so W is the summation of min term 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus the don't care condition D 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Why this thing is written? Why the don't care condition is written? Because these are not a valid BCD number. 10 to 15 is not a valid BCD number. So user should not give this type of combination. So that means if this type of combination is given, output may be anything, because it will produce a garbage. So garbage means W may be 0, maybe 1. We don't take this one. So that means this is called a don't care condition. Now, after this one, you need to write the expression for W, X, Y, Z in canonical form, taking the help of don't care condition. Then you need to simplify it using the K-map. I think if this type of expression is given, can we able to simplify this one? If the expression of W is given like this one, can you simplify this one using the K-map?
Yes sir, K-map use
Yes sir.
So try to do these things. Because as this lab will not take much time. Within next 20 minutes the lab will be completed. So that means just take some time and do this, do the simplification for W, and let me see who can able to tell me the simple answer or the correct answer. So don't see the manual, because the manuals are also available in the net. So try to do these things yourself and find the expression for W, simplified expression for W using the K-map. Definitely you need to take the help of the don't care condition. If the don't care condition more simplified,
মানে এই পুরো
then definitely
এক্সপ্রেশনটাকে সিম্পলিফাই করবো তো স্যার, এই ডাব্লিউ আর
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
মানে
W
মিন
W
টার্ম আর ডোন্ট কেয়ার। ওকে ওকে।
mean term and don't care condition. Always take the help of
ইয়েস
don't care
ইয়েস।
condition. As I mentioned,
ওকে
the
স্যার।
don't care condition, it may be 0, maybe 1. So if the don't care condition helps us, then definitely take the help of don't care condition. And if the don't care condition doesn't help you, so take it 0. And 0 means it's actually left blank. So it's not mandatory that always need to take the help of don't care condition. If the don't care conditions able to help you, able to simplify the expression more, then definitely take the help of don't care condition. Otherwise, don't take it. Let me see who can able to give me the correct answer. So everybody take your time. In a pen and paper, the variables are ABCD. Input variables are ABCD. 4 variable K-map it will be. So first we map the expression for W in the K-map. Try to simplify it. And during the simplification procedure, if the don't care condition help us, try to take the help of this don't care condition and tell me the simplified expression.
So the
এটা কি
variables
এখন
are
করবো না,
ABCD.
মানে আফটার আপনার ল্যাব শেষ হয়ে যাবে তারপর?
হ্যাঁ
মানে আপনার ল্যাব আপনি করিয়ে নেওয়ার পর তারপরে সলভ করে আপনাকে অ্যান্সারটা বলবো, নাকি এখনই করতে বলছেন?
এখনই করে বল, ল্যাব তো শেষ হয়ে গেলে তো
ওকে
আমি
স্যার।
দেখতেই পাবো না। হ্যাঁ,
ওকে স্যার।
the variables are ABCD. Input variables are ABCD, as you see from the truth table. The input variables are ABCD, where A is the MSB and D is the LSB, least significant bit. So the variables are ABCD. Try to simplify the expression of W, which is coming from the truth table. So first is the word definition of the problem. Word definition of the problem is that you need to design a code converter circuit which will convert the BCD to XS3. This is called a word definition of the problem. After that, using some logic, you need to fill up the truth table. This is the most important part. After that, you need from the truth table, you need to write the output expression, output variable expression. Output variables are WXYZ, because you see the output variables are WXYZ. So first, from the truth table, you need to write the output variables expression from the truth table. And after that, using the K-map, you need to simplify the output variable expression. So let's see who can able to tell me the simplified expression, ultimate simplified expression of W.
Hello, sir.
হ্যাঁ বলো।
A or BC, A or A plus BC plus BD.
এক মিনিট, A plus BC,
Yes, sir.
A plus BC plus BD.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's wait for your friends and let's see who can is this correct or your friends have any other answer. So please wait for your friends. Okay.
Sir, this one is correct. A
Okay,
plus B.
very good. So very good. Who did it first? Congratulations to him. So I think this is the correct answer. So
Thank
let
you,
me check the answer. So you see W. So W equal to A plus BC plus BD or BD plus BC, whatever it is. So he did it correctly. This is the correct expression of W. Okay. Now please wait for your friend so that everybody completed his work, his or her work. Because I think somebody is
স্যার, A plus BC plus BD।
yes, very good. This is actually correct answer. I just checked this one. So please wait for your friends. So when everybody is completed his K-map simplification, we'll proceed further. Okay. So once you completed your K-map, so please inform me. Then I will proceed for the other variables also. And that is very easy to do this K-map, because you see when I map the W to the K-map, it looks like this one. So here you have to take the help of the don't care condition, otherwise the bigger cells will not be there. So this lower 8 cells is filled up either by 1 or don't care condition. So just take this one. This is the A, and to cover this middle row 3, 1, you have to make a double 4-member group. One is this one, another is that one. So this will give the expression BD and BC. Okay. Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everybody completed this K-map, or should I wait or proceed?
Completed, sir.
Okay, okay. হ্যাঁ, তোর তো কমপ্লিট হয়ে গেছে, বাকি others?
স্যার হয়ে গেছে।
Okay, okay, very good. So now, as you have done the expression as well as the simplified expression for W using the K-map, I think you are able to do for the X, Y, Z also. Now, what is the it doesn't need to do the K-map for X, Y, Z right now, but you need to tell me the expression for X, Y, Z from the K-map. So can somebody able to tell me the expression for X using in canonical form? Expression for X.
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Very good. But you should not say like this. You should be say X equal to summation of min term 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Partially completed. Then plus.
Don't care of 10, 11,
Yes.
12, 13, 14, 15.
14, 15. Very good. So X is the summation of min terms 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 plus the don't care condition 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Very good. Similarly, who can tell me the expression for Y?
The summation of min term 0,
Very
3,
good.
4,
Yes.
7, 8.
Very good. Plus
Plus don't min term of don't care 1, 2.
min term of plus the summation of don't care.
Summation of don't care. Yes, sir.
Summation of don't care 10 to 15. Okay. Yes, yes, 10 to 15. Because the don't care is remain same for all the output variable W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Correct. So Z, last one. Z is the summation of min term.
The summation of
0,
3, 5, 7, 9.
5,
0, 3, 5.
3, 5, 7.
7, 9,
It's not 7. 0, 3, 5. Then it's not
7,
0, 2, 4.
no. It's not 3. 0, 0, 2, 4.
0, 2, 4, 6, 8.
0, 2, 0, 2, 4, 4, 6, and 8. Okay.
10.
It's not 10. Plus
Don't
the
care.
summation of yes. Plus the summation of don't care 10 to 15. Okay. Now, so you see from the truth table, you can able to find out the expression for output variable in terms of the means in canonical form, and also the don't care condition also. Now after this one, I think now everybody can able to simplify the expression using the K-map. Though the K-map has already given here, but I think if it is an unknown number, unknown expression, then using the help of this don't care condition, I think you are able to find out the simplified expression using the K-map. So this is the simplified expression for X. It's equal to B C bar D bar plus B bar D plus B bar C. This is the Y equal to C bar D bar plus CD, and we know that the C bar D bar plus CD is the CX nod D. Okay. And this is the expression for Z. So unfortunately, this one is not given. This one actually how to do the grouping. This left 4 and right 4 is the open grouping, and the expression for Z equal to D bar. After finding out the expression for W, X, Y, Z, you need to draw the circuit. Okay. So who can let me see. If you able to do these things, then you can able to do the remaining thing also. Who can able to find out the expression? Who can able to draw the logic diagram for this expression W? Because this is the output expression for W in simplified form, A plus BC plus BD. Who can able to draw the logic circuit? How to draw the logic circuit? How many variables are needed for W?
Sir, 4.
Sir, 4 variables are needed, and it will be
Sir,
and
দুটো
between
দুটো
B
টু
and C,
ইনপুট
and
AND gate.
Okay. So very good. So I think that means you can able to draw the logic diagram also, the logic circuit also. So ABCD 4 variables are needed. Then we require to produce this term. A is already produced from A, but we need to produce the BC term. How to produce the BC term? This is a product term, so that means we needed to input AND gate. This term will generate the B and C like this. And we also need to produce the BD term. So for producing the BD term, again we require to get an 2 input AND gate where the inputs are B and D. B and D like this. Now, then this is actually the A. A is remain unseen. Then we required a OR gate to add the 3 numbers because 3 terms is already produced, A, B, C, and B, D. At last, we need to add them together. So for adding the numbers, we required a 3 input OR gate. Okay, so in this way, the W is produced. Is it correct?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So that
sir.
means you can also able to find out the expression for X, Y, and Z using the logic circuit. So I did it for you. This is the expression for W, X, Y, Z. And let's see the operation, not here, rather in the circuit maker software. So this is a
স্যার আপনি যে লজিক সার্কিটটা ড্র করলেন স্যার ওটা একবার দেখাবেন স্যার
আচ্ছা দেখাচ্ছি এই যে পেন ডেটা this is only for W. This is not the complete logic circuit. This is the sample logic circuit only for the W. I just showing you the how to draw the procedure for the logic expression to the logic circuit. This is the 3 min terms, 3 terms are there, 3 product terms are there. One is A, one is BC, and one is BD. So first we need to produce the A, because A, for producing the A, it doesn't require any gate, because from the input variable, if we just take one line, it will be A. But we need to produce the BC term and BD term. How to produce the BC term? We need to get a 2 input AND gate. The inputs are B and C, so that means this will produce the BC term. This intermediate output produce the BC term, and that output produce the BD term. Then we need to add them together. Then we need to add them together to get the full expression of W. Similarly, we need to find out the other XYZ expression also. Now let's see the circuit BCD to XS3. You see the same circuit is simulated here. This is the BCD to XS3 converter. Let's run the circuit. But before running, check this one is in the analog mode or in the digital mode, because in the analog mode it should not run. Are you able to see this? See the simulation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ইয়েস স্যার
Okay. So you see, first we give the 0, because 0 is a valid BCD number. So 0 means you see all the LED in the input sides are not glowing. So that means this is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0 or 0. If I give 0 in the output expression, what will come? 0, 0, 1, 1. So it means it's equal to, what is the output value?
3.
3. So it is expected, because it's actually converting the BCD to XS3. So that means if the BCD input is 0, 0 plus 3 in XS3, it will be 3, and 3 is coming here. Now if I give 1, so you see I give 1, here it's coming 4. So every time the circuit add a 3 number with the input and it produce the output. Then 2 in 2 it's equal to 5. In 3 it's equal to 6. In 4 it's equal to 7. In 5 it's equal to 8. In 6 it's equal to 9. 7 it's equal to 10. Then come 8. Then come 8, it's equal to 11. Then come the last BCD number, that means 9, and it will be 12. Now if I give another number, then you see it will produce garbage, because what is the input combination? Input combination is 13, but 13 is not a valid BCD number, because 13 is the combination of 2 BCD number, 1 and 3. Okay, so 13 is, as the 13 is not a valid BCD number, the circuit produce some garbages. So output expression 8 should not be there, but as this type of input is not expected to come at the input side, so that means it produces the garbage. So this type of input, as I said, it's a don't care condition. So if the input is wrong, then the output, you should not take the output. You should not consider the output. So this circuit is called the code converter circuit. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
So now come to the last part of the experiment. It will take very less time. The vice versa. That means now the inputs are XS3 and the output will be in BCD. Okay. So come to this one. This is the table. So first is the word definition. As I mentioned, first is the word definition. Every digital circuit is implemented like this one. First
স্যার
is the
বলছি তাহলে স্যার বিসিপিতে আমাদের জিরো আউটপুট তো কোনোদিনই আমরা পাবো না, মানে মিনিমাম তো 3 পাবোই।
every exactly in XS3 you should not get 0. You can get 0 if the input is if the input is -3, then you can get a 0. But generally this negative number we are not handling.
ওকে স্যার।
So XS3 to now the reverse thing, XS3 to BCD conversion steps are same for all the digital circuit, not for the lab but for the whole digital circuit. The same steps. First is the word definition, then the truth table, then the output variable expression, then the simplified expression and the circuit. So if you follow these steps, you can implement any type of digital circuits. So word definition is a circuit which convert the XS3 to BCD number. So input XS3, 4 variables are there, W, X, Y, Z, output BCD, ABCDs are there. Now we need to write every 16 possible combinations, because there is no limitation for XS3 that the total 10 number should be there or total 12 number should be there. As 4 variables are there, so we have to write the total 16 possible combinations. And these 16 possible combinations start from 0 to 15. So you see this first one is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Oh, it cannot be highlighted. So it's equal to 0 and last one is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. So all 16 possible combinations are written as input. Now for the output, we need to write some modification. Why? Because as you write that 0, 1 and 2, this output will not be a valid number. Why? Because if I subtract 3 from 0, it will be a minus number, and that will not be considered as a normal BCD number. So that's why up to 2 input combination, the output is don't care condition. What my point? Why this first 0, 1 and 2? Why the output is don't care condition? Because if I subtract 3 from the input combination, it should not be a negative number. It should be starting from 0, minimum 0. So, but if I subtract 3 from this input combination up to 2, then we get a minus number. So that's why up to 2, the output variable is 0. Sorry, output variable is don't care condition. Then coming to this one, if the input variable is, if input combination is 3, then the output is 0. If it is 4, then it is 1. So in this way, 3 will be subtracted from the input variable, and as the output it will produce, but the output is up to 0 to 9, because these are the valid BCD number. You should not cross the BCD number before 9. Okay. So that means if the output is 12, we can get 9. But after this one, if the input variables are 13, 14 and 15, then also the output variable is don't care condition. Why? Because if the input variable is 13, then the output after subtracting 3, the output should be 10. But 10 is not a valid BCD number, so that's why they are don't care condition. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, can somebody please tell me what will be the expression for A? Because the output variables are now A, B, C, D. So from the truth table, you need to find out the expression for A, not the simplified expression, in canonical form expression. So what will be the expression for A? Who can tell me in canonical form? Summation of bolo.
Summation of M.
Summation of M.
Mean term.
Summation of mean term
Sir,
10,
11 হবে স্যার, 11 12
11, 12.
Very good. So summation of mean term 11 and 12. Then as the don't care condition, how much?
11 to
Don't care.
don't care
13, 14,
condition স্যার 0 1 2 আর ওদিক দিয়ে হচ্ছে স্যার 13 14 15।
Very good. Correct. So that means A will be the summation of mean terms this one, because A is valid for this particular row and this particular row. So the input combination of this row is it's equal to 11, and this one is 12. So the A will be the summation of min terms 11 and 12 plus the don't care condition 0, 1, 2 and 13, 14 and 15. Very good. So that means similarly B is valid here. So B is the summation of min terms 7, 8, 9, 10 plus the summation of don't care condition same 0, 1, 2, 13, 14, 15. C is the summation of min terms. This one is 5, 6, 8, 9 plus the don't care condition remains same. D is the summation of min terms 4, 6, 8, 9 and 12 plus the don't care condition same. So after finding out the expression for A, B, C, D, we need to draw the K-map simplification for this. And this is our K-map simplification. And here you see, it doesn't need to take the help of this don't care condition because they are not actually helping us for simplifying the expression. So in this way, we need to find out the expression for A, B, C, D in terms of input variable W, X, Y, Z. And this is actually the expression. A equal to Wx plus W, Y, Z. B is X bar, Y bar plus X, Y, Z plus W, Y, Z bar. C equal to this one, D equal to this one. After that, you need to just draw the circuit. So this is the logic circuit for XS3 to BCD converter. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So let's see the demonstration first. BCD to XS3. Sorry, XS3 to BCD. So this is my XS3 to BCD circuit. Let's run the circuit. Make all the input variable as 0 initially. So this is 0. So you see, if I give 0 as the XS3 input, then it will come as how much? 5. So, but 5 is not a proper combinations of the XS3 to BCD converter, but this one is not a valid BCD number. So that's why up to 2 we should not take the input variable. These are the don't care condition. So if the input variables are 2, we should not take it. But if I give 3, then you see this is a valid input for the BCD, and if the input is 3, then the output is 0. If it is 4, then the output is 1. Similarly, if it is say 8, then 8 minus 3 equal to 5. So expecting 5, and it is also coming 5. Then if it is 9, then 6 is there. If it is say 12 minus 3, 9. That is the maximum BCD number. Now, if it is more than 12, we should not take this value. Okay, because this is not a valid BCD number. It is 10. The conversion is also 10, but we should not take it because this 10 is not a valid BCD number. BCD number means it should be from 0 to 9, within 0 to 9, not more than 9, not less than 0. So this circuit is actually the conversion of XS3 to BCD code converter circuit. This circuit is also there in my sites. So if you want to see the sites, if you want to check at this circuit is actually working or not, you can download the circuit meter file and you can check this one. So this was the today's lab, code converter circuit which convert the XS3 to BCD and vice versa. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now, for your practice, I can give you one suggestion that you can do the a code converter circuit for this one, BCD to gray. Okay. So this BCD to gray or gray to BCD is a great code converter circuit. The last one, XS3 to BCD, this
the
one.
last one, yes sir, this one. XS3 to BCD.
This is the XS3 to BCD.
Yes, sir.
Here, if you run this circuit, then at least you need to give 3, because if you give 0, then it will not convert, because this will not a valid BCD number. So we have to give input as 3. If you give 3, then it will produce a valid BCD number, because 3 minus 3 is 0, so 0 is coming, and the maximum input combination is how much? 12.
Sir, 9 বললেন মনে হয় স্যার।
9 না 12, to XS3 তে 12 হবে. If XS3 equal to 12, then 12 minus 3 equal to 9, so 9 is the BCD output. It's valid, and rest of the input combination is not valid. Means 13, 14, 15, these are not valid. This is equal to 13. You see, the conversion is done, but it is not a valid BCD number. 10 is not a valid BCD number. Similarly, for 14, 15 is also there. This one is actually converting all these things. 15 minus 3, that means 12. So 12 is coming, but this 12 is not a valid BCD number. You should not take this one. BCD number means from 0 to 9. ठीक है sir? So now, so this is the lab. Any question regarding the lab? Experiment number 2.
No, sir.
Okay. So just so this is the end of the class. So I just need to stop the recording.